Special Feet Whiten Bleach Cure at Home. Beautiful feet, spa and tips. Hello friends! I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video, special and effective. We need this ingredient to make this recipe. 2 cups of milk, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, 'Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now put your feet in this mixture and leave it for 30 minutes. For best results, use this recipe 3 times a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.